If your PlayStation 5 won't get online, you can connect it to Xfinity Wi-Fi in just a few steps. So on your PS5 home screen, go to Settings, Network, Settings, Set up Internet Connection. After that, set up manually Wi-Fi and Scan. So the PS5 will show available networks. Choose your home Wi-Fi name, the one printed on your router label, or the name you created. After that, enter the password. Enter the Wi-Fi password carefully. It is case sensitive. And then the PS5 will automatically run an internet connection test. You should see obtained IP address and internet connection successful. Then, if you have any connection issues, move PS5 closer to the router, use a different Wi-Fi band, for example 2.4 GHz instead of 5, restart the router and PS5, and forget network and reconnect. This is how you connect your PS5. Enjoy guys, and see you soon.